Hey everybody, Dave Lakin with Virtue Active 3D Draft and Design. Wanted to kind of talk to you this week. There's going to be another link here in this email that Morgan has attached, so go ahead and click that button, that link, and you can check it out. But when we do that build out phase, now that we've kind of got the 23 redraws, the 2023 P series redrawn, we'll get the R series once they have those done as well later this year. But as you're looking at that, there's a builder preference sheet. So when we have, whether you're doing the older 2022 ones, or you're doing the new 23 ones, if you're gonna utilize the services, we've got those, we're gonna have those obviously all redrawn. And then that build out phase, one of the things that we have to do is similar to last week when we sent the elevation and options checklist, which ones do you want? That's gonna be part of the build out. We build all that out. And then we will also need builder preferences. So there's a builder preference sheet here. It's kind of a guide just to go through. You'll fill that out too. That's how we can quote you out what that build out's gonna be. But fill out the builder preference and it kind of goes through everything that's in there. So check out the builder preferences sheet. That and the selections that you pick for your elevations and options are what's needed to quote you out to let you know how much the build out would be. And then once we've built that out, we're gonna have your base plans of each of those. We're gonna have the elevations and options. They kind of all live in a weird little world in the drafting plans there. So when you do go place the site specific orders, which is the end of it, phase 3, and you're like, hey, we've got, address 1, 2, 3, 4 on this lot for this client, give us the portico with, the farmhouse elevation A with whatever options you selected. We can pull all those, put those together, create that site specific plan and get that out the door for you right away. So the build out is part of that. This builder preferences is a big piece of that. And then obviously followed up with the elevations and option checklist for last week. Those are the biggest components we need to finish the build out for you. So check it out, call with any questions you have. Love to schedule a discovery call. Again, have a great week and God bless.